In this video, we're going to look at the top 5 meat thermometers available on the market today. We made this list based on our own opinion, research, and customer reviews. We've considered their quality, features, and values when narrowing down the best choices possible. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description box below. So, here are the top 5 best meat thermometers. The 5th product on our list is the SMARTRO ST59. Are you tired of your meat burning or becoming too tough and chewy in the process of cooking it? Here is a lasting solution to that. A SMARTRO ST59 meat thermometer is built to monitor your meat's inner and surface temperature so you can ensure it's perfectly cooked every time. This meat thermometer has a very sensitive touchscreen. This helps you read the temperature of your meat with high accuracy. It has 8 suitable temperature levels, used for cooking different types of meat like lamb, turkey, veal, chicken, beef, pork, fish, and even hamburgers. The ST59 can be used to select the desired inner temperature and cooking time to avoid the incidence of undercooked or overcooked food. It has a long probe that protects your hand from excess heat. This probe is built to stand a high temperature up to 482 degrees Fahrenheit. We liked that this meat thermometer has 2 magnets and a stand that can be used to keep your meat thermometer stable on any surface. The 2 magnetics at the base helps you to attach it to any metal surface like freezers, while the stand is used on a flat horizontal surface like table and kitchen cabinets. Lastly, this meat thermometer is simple to use as it has 6 doneness levels that have been preset to help you monitor your food to avoid burning or overcooking it. Its pros are, it has an LCD screen that is visible from afar, it is built to last, and it is good value for money. However, its probes cannot be put in the dishwasher. The SMARTRO ST59 meat thermometer is built for homemakers who want to monitor their meat's temperature to avoid overcooking or undercooking it. Up next in 4th place is the Rilitor. When it comes to making the best barbecue at home that will keep everyone coming for more, you need a reliable meat thermometer like Rilitor, which you can connect to your phone and monitor your cooking from a distance. The Rilitor can be used to monitor up to 6 different types of food with its 4 probes, which are built with high-quality stainless steel. For the safety of its users, this meat thermometer has a heat-resistant handle that is made with aluminum alloy. It has a preset temperature that can be selected when cooking 11 meat types to get suitable doneness levels. You can also customize its preset temperature to your cooking taste. You can connect it to your phone via Bluetooth when you download the digital barbecue software. This enables you to set the right temperature and cooking time with your phone and monitor cooking when you are not close to the kitchen. We also like that the Rilitor has a storage case that comes in handy when you want to store your meat thermometer and when on transit. We appreciate that Rilitor has a durable battery that you can rely on when cooking for a long period of time or over multiple days. This makes it ideal for weekend cookouts with family and friends. Lastly, it has a backlit LCD that is visible at all times. This makes it suitable for cooking at night. Its pros are, it has a 1-year warranty, it is very easy to use, and it has an LCD display. However, it cannot be calibrated very easily. The Rilitor meat thermometer is built for people who want to cook their meat at a professional standard to make it tastier and more attractive. Still haven't found a meat thermometer that meets your needs? Well, keep watching because we have more lined up for you. Meanwhile, if this is your first time visiting our channel, be sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon to receive notifications of our next videos. The 3rd product on our list is the Inkbird IBT-4XS. Professional chefs know that the quality of meat and grills they produce is determined by how well they monitor and control their cooking temperature. That is why Inkbird is highly recommended for all chefs, as it will help them monitor the temperature of their meats. This meat thermometer has a built-in rechargeable lithium battery, so you can always charge it when it gets low instead of discarding it for a new battery. We liked that the Inkbird has a durable charging cable of 1.64 feet long to minimize the stress of looking for a suitable charging cable. It has a large and rotatable LCD screen that shows your readings in a bolder format. You can also rotate the screen by double tapping its rotate button for an accurate reading. It can be connected to your phone through Bluetooth too. This enables you to monitor your grill from a distance of about 150 feet. That means you can sit back and relax with a beer, safe in the knowledge you won't burn any of your meat. One of the most remarkable things about this meat thermometer is its battery life. After each recharge, it can last for up to 40 hours of continuous usage. It is even designed with a magnetic at the back to allow you to secure it safely to a metallic surface without fear of it falling and shattering. Lastly, despite being one of the most durable and reliable meat thermometers in the market, it is very affordable. Its pros are, it has 4 probes, it has a large, easy-to-read display, and it is great value for money. However, the volume of its alarm system is loud and cannot be adjusted. The Inkbird meat thermometer is built for professional chefs and BBQ aficionados who want to make the best meat to keep their customers and friends keep coming back for more. The second product on our list is the Lavatools Javelin PRO. Monitoring the temperature of your meat with a regular meat thermometer may not give you the accurate temperature reading required to prepare perfectly cooked and delicious tasting beef. But with a reliable meat thermometer like the Lavatools Javelin PRO, you are in charge of your cooking time and temperature, as it offers an accurate temperature reading and allows you to set a suitable temperature and cooking time for your meat. It is built with the latest Lavatools technology for a fast response. That is why it gives the accurate temperature within 1.3 seconds. We like that its 2-inch LCD screen is auto-rotating, so it turns to give a precise reading based on your position. We liked that this meat thermometer is certified by NSF, as it is built with high-quality polycarbonate materials that are not toxic to human health or the environment. It's also made of food-grade stainless steel that won't corrode and is very durable. What's more, the Javelin PRO has a reliable lithium metal battery that ensures you don't run out of battery life while cooking. Even better, like others on this list, it has a handy magnetic back that enables you to store it on metallic surface when not in use. Its pros are, it has 3 years limited warranty, it is very well made, and it is built with food-grade stainless steel. However, its probes are hard to maintain. The Lavatools Javelin PRO is a reliable meat thermometer that gives an accurate temperature reading required for cooking. Before we reveal number 1, be sure to check out the description below for the newest deals on each of these items. And be sure to subscribe if you want to stay up to date on the best products on the market. Finally, our top meat thermometer is the ThermoPro TP20. Are you tired of always having overcooked or undercooked meat? You need the latest version of one of the best meat thermometers on the market today. The ThermoPro TP20 is built and modified to cater to all the shortcomings of regular meat thermometers. It has a backlit LCD screen that makes it ideal for use any time of the day, as it is always bright. It is one of the easiest to use meat thermometers available because it works right out of the box. No complex settings are required to get it working. We liked that ThermoPro can do a time countdown or count until it hits the target time before giving off an alert. This saves you from needing to constantly check on it. It has USDA recommended doneness level and temperature presetting for preparing 9 different types of meat. Its probe is built with high-quality stainless steel that can stand high temperatures, up to 716 degrees Fahrenheit. What's more, the ThermoPro is a wireless meat thermometer that can be connected to an iPhone or Android phone via Bluetooth and monitored from a maximum distance of 300 feet. This is just another way the ThermoPro saves you time and is very convenient in a busy household. One of the most remarkable features of this meat thermometer is its capacity to display temperature readings in degrees Celsius and degrees Fahrenheit, which can be important when following online recipes. When you experience a power outage during the cooking process, this meat thermometer even saves your preset temperature and timer for future use. Finally, it is also very portable, making it easy for you to transport it from one place to another or store it away in your kitchen drawer. Its pros are, its battery is included, it has a range of convenient features, and its probe can withstand high temperatures, and it is very accurate. However, its alarm system is not particularly loud, so it can be easy to miss if you're not paying attention. The ThermoPro TP20 meat thermometer is an ergonomic device that is built to give every meat a homemaker prepares a touch of professionalism. That's all for now. Thanks for watching. If we helped you out in any way, please hit the like and subscribe button. We'll see you guys in the next videos.